All right, welcome to step 4. In this step, we're going to learn how to create a simple email campaign that delivers a ton of value to the prospective customer that signed up and requested your lead magnet. So this is where we'll start. We're going to create a simple 5 email SIP campaign. This is a 5-message email, or it could be a text message campaign. The first message delivers your lead magnet. So remember, the person raised their hand and said, yes, I want your lead magnet. So we're going to send that to them as promised, and we're also going to introduce ourselves and our business, product, or service. Messages 2 through 5 are going to follow along the same line, except we're going to deliver even more value, and we're going to explain how the lead magnet can be used in a number of different ways, and any other ways that we can deliver value to that prospective client to get them to engage more deeply with us. And speaking of that, each email will include a soft sell or a call to action or a way that they can engage with us on another level to help build that relationship. So the next thing we're going to do is we'll take a look at the campaign that I created for the Cupcake Lovers Club, which was the lead magnet that we created in the previous step. And so I will show you an example of what one looks like. So here you can see there's 5 emails in this campaign, right? And the first one is a welcome and a delivery of that lead magnet. So this person joined the Cupcake Lovers Club. So we're welcoming them to the club and giving a little taste of why it's in their best interest and why it benefits them. The next email is We Bake You Taste, right? So it talks about the tasting events that we have where they get to try out different cupcakes that we're testing. Email 3 is about the community, about joining a cupcake community, people like yourself that are passionate about baking and cupcakes in particular. So number 4 is free cupcakes. Who doesn't like free cupcakes? So this talks about how you, your frequent buyer program, how you can earn free cupcakes. The next one is birthdays, right? So if you share your birthday with us, we will reward you with a free tiny birthday cake, otherwise known as a cupcake, on your birthday. So those are the 5 messages that we're going to send out. Now, the key here is each one includes that soft sell or that call to action. Some people call it a CTA. Each one allows the reader to take another step. And so in the first one, it's about checking out the new cupcake arrivals, what's coming new to the bake shop. This one, the taste test, lets you check the calendar to see when the next taste test event is. The community one, it lets you know that when the club meets and invites you to join the Facebook group. Free cupcakes, this allows you to click on this and claim your member coupon. And then the birthday cake invites you to tell us what your birthday is so that we can remind you to come by and pick up your free birthday cake, free birthday cupcake. So that's really important. So now you have seen an example of what a campaign looks like. And you might say, that's a lot of work, Jim. How? I don't have time to create that. The beautiful thing about this is I didn't write the vast majority of it. I only made some tweaks to it. I used ChatGPT to create this campaign. And I did that by explaining to it exactly what I wanted. And I said, I need you to create a drip campaign for a user who has signed up for the Cupcake Lovers Club. Can you write a 5-email drip campaign that talks about one reason the club provides value to the member? And then I gave it a description of what the Cupcake Lovers Club was about. So those 2 things, really specific instructions, and then context and background. And it provided this 5-email drip campaign. Now, I went back And I made changes to it, and I punched up the subject titles a little bit, and I added a little bit of personality to each one of these, and added in the calls to action. But 85% of this was really created for me. So the next step here is for you to create your own. So I would encourage you to create a free account, a free ChatGPT account, and ask it to create an email campaign based on the lead magnet that you created in steps 1, 2, and 3. Each email should have a relevant call to action in it. That's an opportunity for the user to engage with you in a deeper level. So think about what those could be. And then the emails, you got to customize them. You got to make them personal. It can't sound like a canned spam message. It's got to be a conversation between you and the member. So make it personal, make it fun, and definitely provide value, something that's will make them excited to see your emails when they come across because they know there's something in it for them. All right. So you can get to work now, create your email campaign, and we'll see you in step 5.